Good morning. My name is Šárka Vicpálková and I would like to welcome you to today's training about add-ons. As you know, we are now seeing a global trend in buying and selling add-ons. And we are in ComAp are of course doing the same with help of so-called software key. Software key is a password that is unique for each controller or software tool used to unlock some premium features. Whereas a premium feature is a feature out of standard functionality of the product. So this is the add-on. What might it be? For control units, it might be an extended PLC or advanced power management, or it can be directly a software license, like for example Intel SCADA. Why we want to sell a premium feature? The first main reason is that we would like to give you the flexibility to modify the product according to your needs, so that you can get exactly what you want, need, and are willing to pay for, and skip the features that are not so interesting for you. Additionally, it's much faster to buy and sell some password than to buy a new device and send it overseas. And of course, in case you are a distributor or packager, it will help you to optimize the stock, because instead of having 3 or 4 different controllers with the same standard but different levels of expertise, you can have just one and upgrade it later according to the needs of your customers. So how to buy this software key? How to buy those add-ons? The best way, of course, is to contact our sales department, and our colleagues will help you to find the best combination of the features so that they suit your needs. But in case you exactly know what you want, which features you need, and you already own the device so that you are able to read the serial number, you can do it also on your own. How to do it? You will open our web page and log in the ComAp Club. If you do so, the welcome page opens. In case you have already generated some keys in the past, you know that here in the menu there was an option called Buy Add-ons. You cannot find it there anymore. Don't worry, it's not a mistake. We have moved it from there to the tiles. So among your tiles, you can find a new one called Software Keys. If you click on it, in some seconds, you will get the list of all software keys that were generated for you, that were purchased by our company. Here in the list, you can see the product it was generated for, its serial number, because the software key is connected with one specific serial number and cannot be moved between them. The day the key was generated on, list of premium features that are unlocked by the specific software key, by whom it was generated. Here you will see the name of your colleagues in your company, or ComAp in case it was generated by us, and the password, the software key itself. Yes, so you have it in your computer whenever you might need it. If you want to buy a new one, you will click here, plus new software key. Here, in the first step, you will get the tiles of all products you are able to generate the keys for. Let's say that we will generate it for IntelliPro. If you click on it, the generator opens. In the step 1, you are asked to enter one or more serial numbers. In case you would like to enter more of them, they have to have the same starting setup. It means that the same set of premium features should be activated in them. Let me to get help from the database so that I put there the right numbers. If you would like to enter more of them, you can divide them by comma, semicolon, or enter. So let's take the second one. Okay, fine. And I will click next. In this moment, the system is firstly checking if such serial numbers were ever sold, if they are valid. And in the second step, it is reading the software key database to check which premium features are already activated on the serial number. Here is the thing I said previously. One or more serial numbers have different setup of premium features already bought. So we cannot generate it together, and we have to divide it and generate it by one. So let's say that we will keep the first one, and I will click next. The second possible mistake message you can get is, of course, that the serial number is invalid. Yes, okay. So here, in the second step, you should choose from the list of premium features. You will check those you are interested in, and you have to agree to the terms of conditions. So please read them and agree to them, and then click buy. In this moment, what's happening? The system is generating the key, of course, and the record about this generation is loading into the database so that it can be found and it will be visible on the first page, as I have shown you previously. In the same time, it's creating an email for you and a purchase order in our internal systems so that the invoice can be sent to you later on as usual. So here you can see that our request was accepted, and for this serial number, this software key was generated. If I click OK, the system will bring me to the first page again, and as I have sorted this list according to the requested on from the newest to the oldest, I can see this new software key on the first place. And that's it. This is all about the software keys generation. I hope that it will suit you, you will find it beneficial. The main positive advantage, if you compare it to the last system, is this list of software keys already bought. So I hope that you will like it, and thank you for attention, and see you next time by other training. Have a nice day.